Hello everyone. So the problem at hand today is that this car, Honda Civic, has been not being driven for a while, and before it was stored, it was washed, of course. So these side chrome bars, they got kind of rusted. So let's try to get this clear. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you can receive notifications of the latest upcoming videos. Let's move forward. So I'll start with this end. So what I have, two things with me is this aluminum foil and this Scotch Brite kind of thing. And I will start with the aluminum foil and start rubbing on the side chrome bars. Okay, I've already done a little bit of it, so hope it's getting clear. So you see this side starts to get better as compared to that side. It's really rusty. Okay, this looks good. So you see, this part got better already. This is still rusty. This looks really nice and shiny again. Let me start doing this offline and I'll get back. So finally, I've corrected this side of the chrome. You can see that it looks really shiny again. And let's check the other side. Yes, this is rusty. Not as bad as the other side, but still, let's clear this thing up as well. And now this side is corrected as well. So the chrome is all back and shiny again, and yeah, let's call it a day. See you later.